There's a plant deck, 25 metres in from the edge of this building, and we've got to lift items off to send them to scrap. I'm going to do a quick height check for this building. I've got a fancy little camera on this one, 9.3 metres high. Let's see where the centre of slew is. We're going to set up an exclusion zone so we can get cars around the back of it, which is nice there. I'm going to go 6 metres off the building. I'll measure that up and we'll see what boom configuration we need. We get 25 metres in on the 9 metre high roof, set 6 metres back. Let's crangle it.